Two big new developments on the COVID front today. First, QR scanning or signing in will be mandatory at all alert levels at busy places and large gatherings. That will help speed up contact tracing. Second, drive-through vaccinations began in Auckland today, and it's also happening in Christchurch. And that is good news because the cases keep growing. 21 more today, with 20 in Auckland and 1 in Wellington, bringing the capital's total to 6. And the nationwide total now sits at 72. The South Island, though, still on 0 and crossing its fingers it stays that way. Madison Reedy begins our coverage.
The Sunday stroll still the same, but almost everything else has changed.
This Sunday we're in lockdown.
Yes, we are. Bubbles are back, masks are mandatory.
Got a bit of this action going on, haven't we?
Of the 21 new cases announced today, almost all of them are in Auckland. 1 is in Wellington, taking the total size of the outbreak to 72 cases. 11 are yet to be linked to the cluster.
But initial assessment in most cases show an obvious link.
The places they've been are now locations of interest, including this University of Auckland student dining hall. A cluster is already emerging from this church in South Auckland.
Now, several of the new cases announced to date are linked to a church service at the Samoan Assembly of God Church in Mangere in Auckland last Sunday.
Expect more cases if the constant queues at testing stations are any indication.
About nearly 2.5 hours.
38,389 tests were processed nationwide yesterday. This testing station in Auckland's Northcote has been slammed for days, but not everyone waiting needs to be here.
Do you feel sick?
Nope.
Haven't been to any locations of interest?
Nope.
You don't need to get tested.
Nope.
So why are you here?
Something to do.
We still don't know how COVID got into the community. It's been linked back to a returnee from Sydney who was isolating at the Crown Plaza in Auckland earlier this month. Officials are investigating if the virus may have leaked into this public walkway. When the returnee was brought into this MIQ hotel, 3 people walked past.
The team is working with the police to identify and follow up each of those people just to see if they may be part of the existing outbreak.
An outbreak that's increasing by the day, meaning we'll likely spend more weekends locked down. Madison Reedy, Newshub